Right, it's cooking time with the EJs Staff. You've seen a few already, EJ with his boiled leg and that. I'm going to make a bit of French toast and bacon because it's my favourite dish. And I'm going to have it for breakfast today, or well, it's about 2:30. I had a bit of a sleep in today, so I'm a little bit late. It's about 2:30 in the day now. But I'm going to show them all up and work because, to be honest with you, they all think they're great cooks and they're all this and they're all that. And if it wasn't for Kate's Kitchen the last 10 years, I'd say they actually would have starved a lot of them. So, yeah, here we go now. Get ready to crack a few eggs. Now next, but not essential, is your little bit of vanilla extract. Now it's not essential. Don't be fucking running down to Londis or Centra baiting people out of the way to get the bit of vanilla extract. After watching my video, I need to put a splash of that into it. Small little bit. Less is more when it comes to this sort of stuff. And we're back again. Now, so the kettle is boiling. We're on the home stretch. So what we want to do now is we want to get our bowl. The frying pan is simmering there the last few minutes, so this is where the magic happens now. Just get myself started. Want to get your bread, give it a little dunk. Now make sure you have the hands washed before you do all this crap, folks. I don't want to be fucking responsible or fucking getting any knocks at the door saying my son done this or my daughter done that because fucking you never wash your hands. So dunk the bread, give it a good soak in the egg. Imagine you're out for a walk on a rainy day and you're getting drenched into the pan with it. Lost me fucking, yeah. So make sure you have enough room in your pan for the bread. And make sure it's well heated, give it a good fucking simmer around, you know, and make sure, bit of fry light, keep healthy, you know, with the 3 slices of bread. That took about 10 minutes to make. Beautiful texture French toast, bit of crispy bacon. This film not ready to just slide in there anytime soon. A cup of tea is on, so there you have it, folks. No excuses. Get in, make the bit of French toast, get cooking, because remember, men can cook. All the abuse we take. Over and out.